What's going on, guys? This is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can install Kali Linux operating system into macOS. So in this video I'm going to step by step guide you how to do that. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to download the VirtualBox Manager and set up it on our macOS. So open up any of your browser, then navigate to google.com and search here for VirtualBox. Then go to this first website virtualbox.org. Then from here click on download, and here you will get two options to download the VirtualBox. One is for Intel based macOS and another is for Apple Silicon based. So as I'm using Mac Mini M4, so I'm going to download this Apple Silicon host. Click here and it should start downloading the VirtualBox Manager on your computer. And also you need to download the VirtualBox extension pack to add some extra feature in our VirtualBox. So click on accept and download, and it also should start downloading all of this file. Okay, so downloading has been completed. Now open up your Finder and go to your downloads folder, and here you can see I have two files, the VirtualBox DMZ file and the VirtualBox extension pack. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to right click on VirtualBox DMZ file and click on open, and it will open this VirtualBox package. Double click on this virtualbox.pkg file and it should open up the installer. Here you can see the VirtualBox installer. Now click on continue, install, type your password, then click on install software, and it should start installing the Oracle VirtualBox Manager on your macOS. Okay, the installation was successful. Now click on close, and I want to delete these VirtualBox files. So click on move to trash. Okay, once the VirtualBox application has been installed, right click on your VirtualBox extension pack, then click on open, and it should open the VirtualBox Manager again. Now from here click on install, scroll down and click on I agree. Then type your password, then click on OK. And now we have to download the Kali Linux ISO file for macOS. So again, get back to your browser, navigate to kali.org, then click on download, then click on installer images, then scroll down, and from here select Apple Silicon. If you are using Intel based macOS, you can download this one. As I'm using Apple Silicon, click here, then click here to download the Kali Linux installer ISO file. Here you can see it start downloading. It's gonna take a while, so you have to wait until the downloading get completed. Once the download get completed, open up your VirtualBox Manager, click on new, name your virtual machine. I'm gonna type here Kali Linux. Then from here click on ISO image, click on other, go to your downloads folder and select the Kali Linux ISO file. Then click on open. Then for the OS, make sure to select Linux. Then for the OS distribution, click here and select the Debian. Then expand specify virtual hardware. Give a base memory to your machine. I'm gonna give here 4 GB and give the CPU core. I'm gonna give 2 CPU core. Then expand specify virtual hard disk, and I'm gonna give here around 80 GB. Then click on finish. Now click on start, and it should start the Kali Linux virtual machine on your macOS. And here you can see the Kali Linux installer. Now from this list, select graphical install. Now select the language, click on continue, select your location and continue. Configure your keyboard. I'm going to select American English, then click on continue. Type here your host name. I'm going to keep it Kali, then continue. Again, keep the domain blank, then continue. Now type here your username. Here I'm going to type Mehdi Shakil, then click on continue. Again continue. Then here we need to type our password. Retype the password again, then click on continue. I'm going to select the Pacific, then click on continue. Then from here select guide use entire disk and continue. Then select all file in one partition and click on continue, then continue again. From here write the changes to disk, select yes, then continue, and it should start installing the base system of Kali Linux operating system in VirtualBox. Now from the software selection section, you can select a desktop environment for your Kali Linux. I will keep my desktop environment the default one except CE. Then click on continue. And now it should start installing all the application, desktop environment and packages into your VirtualBox to install Linux as a virtual machine in your VirtualBox. Once the installation gets completed, you will get this screen. Finish the installation. Click on continue and it will finish the installation and reboot your Linux virtual machine. Now this time it will not open the ISO, it's open the Linux virtual machine. If you get this screen, that means Linux has been successfully installed in your macOS using the VirtualBox. Now from here, select the Kali Linux and press enter, and now your Linux machine should boot into VirtualBox. Here you can see, now you have to log in with your user account, whatever you set during the installation. Then click on login, and guys, here you can see the Linux operating system has been running virtually in macOS. Now to make it full screen, click on this Linux icon, search for display and select the higher resolution. Then click on apply and keep the configuration. Then click here and switch. And it will make your Linux operating system full screen. And if you want to increase the sizes of the icon and menu also, search here for high DP and click on Kali high DP mode. Then yes, and you will get this type of resolution. So guys, like this you can easily run Linux operating system as a virtual machine into your macOS. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.